Alright, what's up? Today is June 8th, Monday, June 8th, 2026. I'm going to be going over today's price action. And the one trade that I ended up taking today, just for starters, today was actually very slow. Especially from like the 6:30 range to 7 o'clock. But we did end up catching a dub today. Points wise, it's one of my best trades because I caught over 100 points today. And I could have caught more, but that's where I thought price would end up. So yeah. All right. So my first trade idea, which I did end up taking, was to we were either gonna respect this 5 minute, right, or we're gonna disrespect it, and then my drawn liquidity were these lows right here. They were inside this 15 minute as well. So I thought we were gonna sweep that, like bare minimum sweep that. We end up getting a huge move down, right? But I didn't end up taking it, but we did end up trading in to this 15 minute and having a strong reaction to the upside. We had opposing draws, in my opinion. Today was very condition based because they were, like I was saying, today was very condition based. You could have taken the short today and a long, but today was very condition based, in my opinion. At first, I didn't really like anything I saw at all. It was pretty slow. We're chopping around, literally in this range, in between these 1 minutes. I didn't love anything yet. Let's see where I answer. Okay, so here, right? Here we were chopping around these 1 minutes here. So my condition was, okay, we're gonna end versus 1 minute and go up. My target was the 930 high right here. The 930 high. This was my target. Alright, so that was my initial target at first, which we do end up hitting. Like I said, my target was at 930, so I could have held on up till here, but I aimed for this high right here at first. Like I said, catching over 100 points. I entered as soon as we inverse the 1 minute. So this candle right here, I entered at 427. Yeah, 427. And then here we just rip up. I was in the trade for like 6 minutes. And then yeah, we did stall a little bit, which I was kind of pissed off. But bang, we ended up hitting my TP, and then we ended up running higher. Like I said, this was on 5 micros. I could have taken it on 1 mini, but I don't know. My stop loss would have probably been here, which is about 50 points, which is too much for my liking with 1 mini. So yeah. So today wasn't the cleanest day. I did like that long specifically, targeting the 630 high. So yeah, I mean, target also there's unfilled 15 minute. There was an unfilled 1 hour above as well right here. So those were my targets. Just needed confirmation. Like I said, we were chopping around for a little bit, but I did end up banging this 1 to 3 hour trade. But yeah, as you can see here, we made $1,085 off that one trade. I was very patient just because literally here we're just chopping around. Didn't like anything. Like I said, today was very condition based. There were opposing draws and liquidity today, but I did like that we had a strong reaction off this 15 minute inverse the 1 minute targeting the 630 high. So yeah, that was my trade today. So I have my live account, and then I now have my Lucid accounts again. I have two of them, which I ended off with 2 dubs yesterday during Asia session. So yeah, really looking up to. I'm looking to turn up this month. Had a slower week last week, but this week we're off to a good start already. Now, yes, I wish I would have taken this on a mini, but I didn't like price action today. Or I didn't love price action today. So that is why I sized down to 5 micros. But yeah, That's what I do, especially when there's opposing draws and it's a Monday, no